Old Film Dissolve Transition in Premiere Pro. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Click New Project to start a new editing project and open the Project Setup window. In the Project Name field, type the name of your project or file, for example, Old Film Dissolve Transition Premiere Pro, so it is easy to identify later. After entering the project name, choose the file location where you want to save the project on your computer to keep your files organized. Once the location is set, click Create to open the project workspace and access the Premiere Pro editing interface. Next, click File on the top menu to import the media you want to use in your project. From the drop-down menu, select Import to open the file browser window. Choose the media file you want to edit, then click Open to import it into the project. After the file has been imported successfully, located in the project panel, drag the first media clip from the project panel onto the timeline to create a new sequence or place it into an existing one. This clip will serve as the first part of your video before the transition occurs. After placing the first clip, drag the second media clip onto the timeline and position it directly next to the first clip so the two clips meet at a cut point. This cut point is where the transition effect will be applied. With both clips prepared on the timeline, go to the Effects panel where you can access various video transitions and effects available in Premiere Pro. In the search bar at the top of the Effects panel, type Film Dissolve to quickly locate the transition effect. When the Film Dissolve transition appears in the search results, drag the Film Dissolve effect to the middle of the cut between the two media clips on the timeline. This action will apply the transition and blend the first clip smoothly into the second clip. If necessary, you can adjust the duration of the transition to match the pacing of your video. Simply drag the edges of the transition effect to the left or right on the timeline to extend or shorten the transition duration. Press Enter on the keyboard or click the play button in the program monitor to preview the result and ensure the transition works smoothly.